This is the Chevy Cruze first generation, 2010-2015, and if there is a problem that the climate control buttons don't work, so nothing works here, climate control system doesn't work, you may need to check the fuses first. And first fuse to check is here in the interior fuse box, and this is the fuse number 17, so air cone fuse. It's located right here. It's the 15 amp fuse, this one. And if this fuse is blown, you will not have the functions of air conditioner, and some functions of that climate control system may not work. So this is the first fuse to check. And then in the engine compartment there is also fuse 62. I'll show you a picture of it. So fuse number 62. It's important to check it too because it's connected with the AC clutch, so the AC systems, and the AC may not work if that fuse is blown. But if not, it's not very common problem, but sometimes this block of buttons will require a replacement. If it's disconnected, if it's broken, it will require a replacement. It's not very common. Sometimes the issue may be solved just by checking those fuses and making sure that the fuses are not blown.